First, we will try to open these malware and phishing test site. If they open, means we are not protected. To avoid conflict, we will be using non-filtering DNS. If you want to set up security DNS, then check out this video on our channel. Now, the first extension we will be trying out is Bitdefender's TrafficLight. After installing the extension, we will refresh test pages. Here, you can see it successfully blocked phishing page and malware page. This extension also comes with a handy feature that put a check mark on search results, showing if the site is safe or not. Now let's test another security extension, Malwarebytes Browser Guard. After installing, make sure to click on the extension and uncheck data sharing and proceed. This extension also comes with ads and tracker blocker. If you are using another extension that does these things, then we recommend turning those extensions off to avoid conflicts. Before testing Malwarebytes extension, we will be turning off extension that support ads tracker blocking. Now let's refresh the test page. As we can see, Malwarebytes extension also successfully blocked phishing and malware test page. Sadly, Malwarebytes doesn't show checkmark in search result. Due to additional ads tracker blocker, Malwarebytes uses more system resources compared to other extensions and have known to cause pages slowdown for some users in past. Now let's compare privacy policy of both extensions. Malwarebytes Browser Guard do have anonymized web history data collection. In other Bitdefender claims not to collect any data. Both extension provides good protection. Malwarebytes Browser Guard comes with additional ads tracker blocker. But Bitdefender TrafficLight doesn't, as it more focus on security aspects. You can use another light ads tracker blocker extension along with Bitdefender TrafficLight if you want, as both won't cause conflicts. This was a quick video. If it helps, do leave a like, and if you want, you can subscribe for more simpler videos like this. Thank you.